In this video, I will show you how quickly you can find a font you want, or at least a closer one. We are going to use Match Font from the Type menu. But first, you need to type something. In my case, I would like to type Summer with any font. Let's adjust its size. And OK. After that, make sure you are selecting the type layer. Then go to Type, Match Font. Click and drag like so to make it easy for Photoshop to find your font. And as you can see, Photoshop has found many fonts that is closer to my font. Then I can click to choose my font. I guess that's a closer one, so I'll click OK.